Hi everybody. Hi, this is Ruben from Camilla the 68 Cougar. So I'm actually getting started on installing the Sound Shield sound deadener. And as I said in one of my previous videos, I am starting off with actually working on the roof. So this whole section up here, this one, and then this back section right there behind the bars. Ooh, sexy looking roll cage. Focus, Ruben. Yeah, so here's cool. I'm gonna fill this part up and this up, but before we get started, just like any other video or any other person that seems to commonly do this, I'm gonna go ahead and follow suit and do the knock. You can hear that, all the metal. Makes a lot of noise, a lot of vibration. Again, this is just sheet metal with slight Bondo on top, filler. Very little filler actually. But yeah, can't wait to guys show you what it looks like afterwards. Again, that black and silver sound shield color. It's actually gonna look really cool up here, so I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you guys. We'll see you later. All right, everybody. I just finished installing the roof panel of this with all sound deadening material from Sound Shield. Took me about, I don't know, an hour and a half to get this done. Yeah, kind of slow a little bit, but it's all covered now. At least the ceiling or the roof, I should say. So let's go ahead and tap this again, see what it sounds like. That's pretty solid. Let's take a look at this side. That's pretty solid. So let's compare it to here. Man, huge difference. Look at that. Sounds like a soda pop can. But up here, that's awesome. Let's take a look at the doors. Let's take a look at here. Oh, that one's terrible. We're gonna fix that. But here's again, nice and solid. This stuff actually rolled in pretty well, actually. Wasn't too hard to do. You just gotta cut. I mean, I did some cuts here, not the best, but again, hey, this is a garage build for the most part, except for body and paint in some cases. But hey, I'm pretty happy with it. Looks cool, as I said. I knew that black and silver was gonna look really neat. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Check these guys out, Sound Shield. They make pretty good stuff. I'm pretty happy about that. In my next section, I'm gonna show you a little bit about a comparison between one of their competitors, just to show you guys the huge difference in quality. Catch you guys later.